Hello everybody, I wish you're doing well. Today we will continue and finish our project of the vertical cylinder that is here. So we will do its assembly design. So let's directly start by this, then this, then this, and do the others. So let's start by creating assembly design project. So let's import first workpiece. That is the 18th one. Then let's import the first one. So this is it. But just pay attention to a detail. It is that I did a modification here. So you will open it in new window. You will go to this pocket. This pocket was like here in dimensions and preview. It was like this, but you will go to here and you will put up to the last and you will press on OK and save it. So it will be like this. Then now what you will do is you take this with this and this with this, and now you will stick this with this like this. Now you'll import the second workpiece. Let's rename it AZ like this. So let's take it by the hand and you must do this side where there is a central point. So you will align this with this or with this like this, yes. Then this with this like this, and you stick it to the here. So you will start every time with this, so it is sticked. So the same for second one. Import a second one. Where is it? Same place. You will move it like this. So take this with this and this with this. So like this. Now we will stick this with this, and we'll do the same now. Where is the axis? It is hard to find. So like this. Then now we will stick it. Re-import. Take this. Let's take it with this. And let's now stick it. So we did everything. Now, oh, I did a mistake for these two. So let's take this, or let's just return in the back. So here we must take this with this, I think. It's hard to find the axis, so let's re-import. Same, because I did a mistake. Let's re-import it. Here it is. Let's move it. No. Let's move this one. No. Cancel it. No, not this, but this. This. And we can, for example, put this middle one. Then we can directly stick it. So this is it. This is our primary design. Our first steps. Now we will take this one. So we'll bring it to the table, to the center. So we'll put one here and one here. So let's take this axis with this one. And let's stick this. So perfect. Then let's do the same. Rename. Where is it? It is here. Take this axis with this, and because I didn't move it, let's move it now. and let's stick this here. So we'll have this. Sorry. Now we will do all these. So we have 8 of them. So 8 of them, it will be long. So it is the M3 times 6. M3. So this is it. Same thing for all. Mm, So I must do one here, one here, one here, one here, one here, one here, and one here, and one here. So let's do it. Mm, It's really hard to do. It takes a lot of time. So let's take it from here. Let's put it here. Let's import the other. So this is the problem of a step. Step files, you must rename it every time. So it is hard to do. So it creates us some problems. Let's stick it with this. So this is it. We can't do a copy and stick. So let's import another. So let's stick this directly here. Let's import another and another and another. So So we have just to put finally. So let's take the before the last one. So this is it. Let's see now what we can do. Let's put the big workpiece. So let's put this big workpiece. It is the number 4. It is the workpiece number 4. Let's put it. Let's import it. Let's take it by this hand. Let's put it like this. So let's do a contact between this and this, and the contact between this then a contact between this. No, we can't. Or opposite. Let's return. So let's put directly a contact between this and this. Just this last constraint. And let's put a contact between this and this. So this properties are how to inverse it. Definition. Let's say that this and this must be in contact. We can't add it. how to or let's just create a contact between this and this. Or 0 here. So let's put it like this. So it is good. Let's bring this workpiece to number 3. It's the same. Let's take it. Let's stick this with this, for example. This with this, and let's put that the distance between this and this is 0. So here we'll need to this is it. Avoid this and let's see this. Yes, so here it is. Let's see now what we will have. Fifth, number 5 and number 5. 2 of number 5. Yes, so let's bring the number 5. Name it. Where is the number 5? It is here. Now let's see its positioning. So this is it. And now let's import the number 5 too. So you can see when it is a CATIA file or a CAT part file, we don't need to rename it a second time when we import it. So like this, where it is. Is this one? Let's move it in Y. So this is it. And now let's put the bolts here, or the nuts and the screws. So it is the same screws as we did here. It is this. Yes. With this axis. So let's stick this. To here. Let's import another like this. Let's rename it. It is obviously here. Yes, we have two to import. Let's do something. This, so this is it, and let's try this or this. Let's import list. Let's go. So let's move it. So this is it. Now we will put the nuts. Let's import them. Where is the nuts? Nuts M3Ds, M310. Yes, here we use the M3, so here it must be an M3. Let's rename it. So let's take this nut. So let's stick it in this and this. So this is it. Let's import another. Here's the M3. now. Where is it? It's disappeared. So let's return in the back. So this is it. Let's move it in the Y direction. Let's send this. So is it? Let's import before last one. So this is not ISO. So and the last one. Now you will take this. So this is it. Now let's see what workpiece will we take. No, let's see the other. So after this, let's put this this how to do it. So this is the workpiece 13. Where is 13th workpiece? Where is it? It is here. Let's take it with the hand. Let's move it. So this is it. The 12th workpiece will enter here. Where is the 12th one? So we'll take the 12th. Where is 12th workpiece? I don't know. Yes, it is here. So let's see how it is oriented. So yeah, this is it. So let's begin with this. Let's bring the 13th workpiece. Let's bring this. It is the 10th one. Name it. Where is it? It is here. Yes, but this must stick with this. And let's say that we want to align this with this with a 0 degrees. You can't. So let's just do it manually. Let's take this. Let's take what is this direction? Is it? So is this? And let's put it like this, for example. Like this. Yes, so let's see what we have to do now. So it is number 11 here, or the 11th workpiece. Where's the 11th workpiece? It is here. So we will take it. So when we have it here, we can just take a distance constraint, take this and this, and put 0 millimeters like this, and let's press on OK. So this is it. Let's see now what we can do. 11th. Here we have 12th. So 12 is here. So here in the 12th, we will do this like this, and let's take this hand and put OK, and put this constrained with this like this. It is good. And now we must put here something. So let's search for it. What is it? Yeah, we must have something missing. So here we must have something. So let's let it for the end. So let's do this. It is 17th workpiece. Let's bring this 17th workpiece. So let's take this. Where is it? It is really far. So let's retake it and let's put it here. So let's a coincidence between this and this. So where it is, or let's take this. It like this. Let's see how it is. So we must put like this. So now let's take this big workpiece, the number 6. So let's see how it is done. Mm. 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 So let's put this with this. And let's add this with this. And now we will take cylinder guide number 8. And let's put a constraint here. This. And let's put it like this. Now what I will do is I will bring the cylinder. Cylinder is number 9. So where is cylinder? See, let's open it. Let's rename also this. Where is cylinder? Let's take it. Let's put coincidence between these. We can't do it. So let's put let's start by this. How to do it? Let's put contact between this and this. Surface contact. Then let's take this, or let's do this. Where is it? It is this. Let's hide it. Let's take this. No, not this. Let's take this and show this. Configuration. What we can do here. Or let's just remove this. Let's remove this. Yes. And let's re-import the workpiece number 9. Is it the number 9? Yes, it is number 9. Where is it? Let's drag it. Let's put between this, not between this, let's hide it. So let's do a contact between this and this. Or let's take this hand. Like this. Or let's just do distances in this. In this. Yes, same. Oh, we have another one. There's another part that I hide. So where is it? It is not this. Yes, let's hide it. Let's show it. So this is it. Now what we can do is to retake the workpiece number 17, or let's just see it. So let's just see these screws. Where can we put them? Let's hide this too. So here it is M4, I think. Where is it? This is the nut. Let's bring the other. Where's the M4? So I did a mistake, I think. Here I must take another type of M4. So let's see what is the M4 that we need. No, so it is not the M4. So let's delete this. It is M2.5, I think. That's it. This is it, and let's do a surface contact now. Doing this. This is it. We have a part that doesn't enter, but it's not a problem. Let's just ignore it. 2.5, net, not net, it is screw M2. Other directions. So let's look this. Or let's do a surface contact. Doesn't work. Let's do something else. Let's try to drag this a long way. Let's put it like this. Let's do the surface contact now. Now, or let's turn it. Now it is good like this. Let's import the screw. Let's import the screw 2.5 on the nut. So this is it. Let's see for other things to do. So here's 7. Let's import the 7th workpiece. Where is it? Let's take this distance to be in the middle. Let's just see. Is it in the middle? Yes, let's say it is in the middle. 15 millimeters. Here we have 20 millimeters. So we must put 2. Ah, yes, it is 2. So No. Yes, so we'll do it like this. Number 15 now. The 15th workpiece. So now we can do the constraint between this and this. No, I don't think it is like this. So let's see. Is it like this? No. No, it is like this. So let's see. Let's take this 16th. Let's rename it. Has it an axis? Let's search for the axis. On this. Let's return to product. Let's take this and let's align it with this. Same. Not this, so not like this, but we must have this and this and same. Then this. And this and the same. Then we must put this into contact with this. Zero. Like this. Then now we can take the screw M4 screw. So we have M4 nut, sorry. Did I take the screw? No, I took the nut. So let's this and this, but now not this, but this. Let's put a distance between this and this. 1, 3. Let's put it on 2 millimeters. Five millimeters like this. So this is it. What can we add? So let's see this. 3, the number 14. Let's put the number 14 here. Let's say between or this surface. Contact with this. Not sure why it is here. So let's take this hand. No, this. Between this. It is bigger. Can you just see it? It was not 3 millimeters. Maybe I did a mistake in this drawing. Also, presentation object. Open one. Let's see here. Watch diameter is 3. Yes, it is 3. It is good. Quick pitch, it is 3 also. I don't know, but I'll just let it like this. It's good for us. So this is it. So we did everything. We have just put the last workpiece, 17th one. I think I have put it everything on 11th. I have put it here. I have put it. So now it's just the 17th workpiece. Let's put out our last workpiece. Like this, and let's finally put this, or let's first turn it. Let's turn it. So now we will correct the problem that we have here. So if you can see the cylinder, or the axis of this piston and the axis of this cylinder are not coaxial, so we'll work for put them in a coaxial position. So let's see what we can do. So the first remark that we can do is that here there is a small distance between this crankshaft or this shaft with this piston. So we must respect this distance to put them coaxial. So what we can do is to open our constraints. I think I did a mistake. Sorry, I did a mistake when I stick it these two. So let's hide them and show them. So we have sticked it here. So we erase it. Now what we can do is to hide this, or we can, for example, just take this axis and this and put them on the same axis, so we have this distance. So we respect this diagram, this drawing, and we respect this here distance, and we respect this coaxiality. So here it is. We can see that the piston is well constructed. So this is it. So now we can hide these. So let's see other constraints. Constraint, let's hide it. And now what we can do is we click on Control F to hide all these planes. We'll select here from elements, we'll close this, we'll take. So no, it's not this. So the same control F, take from element, and we'll select this element, and we'll select it all. And now we'll click on hide, and we hide them all. Same thing for this. Control F. We select this constraint and select them all. And we will hide it. No, not this. Let's hide the constraint. So what we so let's redo it. This from element. So all, and let's hide them. We'll avoid to click here. So let's search for it here. We think that we can find them here. So let's search for it. Okay, sure. Hide show. So let's hide them. Oh, we can't hide them. So they appear. Let's hide them from here. So hide everything. I don't know why we can't hide this. We created the problem of all this line. So let's select on elements. So let's select these sketches and let's select all of them. And let's hide them like this. So this is, I think, it is sufficient for us. But there is something that we can do in the end. It is clashes. So we can select everything. So select this and click on clash and apply it. And we can see the contact and clash. Today I will show you just what does it mean clash. I won't correct everything because here we have some screws and nuts, so in general they clash because uh, the uh, the typing doesn't appear, so there is some millimeters that are not really clear, so we will have in general clashes. So we have, for example, here a clash between this screw and this wood plate, but it's not a problem since this wood plate is from wood, so it must enter in it. This is a normal clash. Here we have a clash in this because of the screw of its tap in, and all same thing here. So it is same for all screws. We have also some mistakes that I did. Let's search for one of them. Here it is same problem of tapping. So here we did same mistake of tapping, so no problem. And here, yes, here it is a real clash because you can see here. So it is entering. So I did a random uh, distance. But if you can see here, in reality, the spring compresses. So you can take some liberty in your design, but in general, it is better to do things with no clashes. So this is it. Let's search for mistake. Not this, not this. Yes, here I think I did something wrong. No, I don't think so. Here, this is a contact. Yes, so here I think the same thing of the tapping here. So as I told you, it is just a problem of typing. So this is how we can do the check clash. We select everything and click here. It is really important for prototyping in general. So thank you for watching. See you soon in our next tutorial. Tschüss.